Hello and early Merry Christmas. It's now December, so it's time for Christmas drinks. This one, I call this, pretty a new concoction actually. I call this one the hot rum and salted caramel apple cider. Yeah, there's caramel in there, the caramel syrup, a little bit of salt, which just gives that little kick. And then rum, although you can make it without rum if that's your preference, and it's still very good. And that will definitely drive away the winter chill. So, very easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now and enjoy it. All right, so to make this, we only need 4 ingredients. One of them is a liter of apple juice, apple cider. I want an apple juice that is unfiltered, like this one here is a nice organic one I was able to pick up. That's 1 liter, which is about 34 fluid ounces. Then over here, I'm going to use caramel sauce. Now this is a half a cup of caramel sauce. And this is the kind of caramel sauce that you pick up like a Hershey's, like this one here. I guess not caramel sauce, caramel syrup, sorry. Caramel syrup. Same thing really, isn't it? And you know, it's the kind of stuff you pour over ice cream or something like that. Well, you can put a half a cup in there. Then I've got here 1/3 of a cup of rum. I'm using a dark rum. I use Myers dark rum. Now, if you're going to go heavier on the rum, I would say probably use a lighter rum so it doesn't overpower the other flavors. And then here I've got 1 teaspoon of salt. That's to give it that salted caramel flavor. So let's get some of these ingredients into the pot here. So first of all, in goes the apple juice. Just want to make sure I get that stuff off the bottom. All right, and right away, let's get that heat going. Now put that on a low flame. I don't want to burn this, I just want to heat it up. And then I'm going to add in the caramel sauce. And just make sure we get all that good sauce in there. That is going to be delicious. All right, and then I want to toss in the salt. And now, let's give it a stir. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that heat up. I don't want to boil it. I just wanted to bring it up until it's good and hot, but not quite boiling. So see you back here in a couple of minutes. All right, so now when I look down in there, you see it's starting to try to boil. It's getting close there. It's starting to roll just a little bit. Not quite boiling yet. That's good enough. We're going to kill the heat. Give that a little stir. Oh, look at that. Just a beautiful tan color from the caramel. Now, adding the rum. Okay, if everybody is drinking with alcohol, then just add in all the rum directly in here, which is what I'm going to do. However, if you have children or you've got some people who don't drink alcohol, what you can do is you can reduce the amount accordingly and just put some in those people who want to drink alcohol, put a little bit in their mug first and then add in the hot salted caramel cider. All right, I'm going to add in all the rum. Away you go. Put that off to one side. Give that a little stir. And then I'm going to grab a ladle and a cup and just ladle some of this in here. That looks absolutely fantastic. Let's have a little sip. Oh yeah, you're going to want to try that for Christmas or before. You don't have to wait till Christmas to drink this. What am I going to do with the rest? Well, put it in a thermos and take it home. This stuff will keep for a while. Going to be drinking that probably all tonight anyways, but hey, put it in a thermos, put it in something that you can keep it in for a little bit, and then serve it up. All right, do that in a minute here. Enjoy this fantastic hot rum and salted caramel apple cider. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around. There's a lot more here in Kuma's Kitchen. They're all original recipes by me, Kevin Riley. Some of them created over years and years of trial and error, things like that. This one's actually a pretty new one. Also, Make sure you subscribe because there's a new recipe coming up every Monday. So if you subscribe, you'll be known about it. You'll be notified about it. Boy, my English is getting bad. And then you can come in and check out the next recipe, see what we're up to. Now, also, if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you help to support the creation of all these recipes, these recipe videos, and you get all kinds of cool stuff in the Patreon feed. Patrons get special things. All right, now make some of this, enjoy it over the Christmas holidays, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.